In this video, I'll show you how to cut and sew the easiest pair of zero-waist pants. Hello and welcome, my friend. In this tutorial, I added details to the pant block I created from part 2 of this zero-waist design video series. I suggest watching part 1 and part 2 so you can get the most benefit from this video series. These are high-waisted pants that include an elastic waistband. It can be made in any type of material and it would look very slim and elegant on any figure. Since I had this 4 yards of plush fleece in my stash, I thought it would be perfect to try out the layout system I mentioned in part 1 of my zero waist video series. My fabric has a bit of stretch in it, so the sizing is a bit forgiving and it's very comfortable to wear. If you are going to be using a non-stretchy fabric for these pants, I suggest you add 2 to 4 inches of ease to the pattern. next video, I'll show you how magical and creative zero waste design can be. I will be using the exact same amount of fabric to create a pair of pants that are totally different in style and can fit a person that's much larger than the pants shown in this video. I have a lot more zero waste explorations coming up. I'd really appreciate it if you can show me some support by liking and subscribing to the channel. That way you won't miss any new planned videos that I have for you in the future. For more zero waste explorations, you can check out the links to the left. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!